Stop working in the dark. Renegade Industrial just released a new range of rechargeable lighting designed to handle the toughest job sites. From your pocket to full-scale floodlight, we've got you covered. We have lights from 420 to 3500 lumen and a range to suit every budget. Rain ready and drop tested, IPX4 water resistant meets 1 meter impact protection, built tough to handle the real world. This wide beam headlamp is a total game changer for the job site, campsite, or even working in the garage. It's plenty bright for whatever you're tackling and super handy to have in your kit. The best part? It has a built-in motion sensor. Instead of fumbling for buttons when your hands are dirty and full, you can just wave your hand in front of it to flick the light on or off. Simple as that. Perfect for inspection, repair, or detailed work, this 800 lumen pocket light packs a serious punch. With a magnetic base and a pocket clip, it's designed to be versatile and always within reach so you aren't left fumbling in the dark. The 1000 lumen LED clamp hook light offers the flexibility of 3 different light settings. And with the 360 rotating head, magnetic, wall-mountable base, hook and built-in clamp, there is no work area that the light cannot illuminate. The 420 lumen work light gives you total control with 3 light modes, while the magnetic swivel base lets you stick it anywhere for 100% hands-free operation. It's compact enough to fit in your pocket, but packs enough punch to light up an entire engine bay or electrical cabinet. The magnetic folding work light gives you the best of both worlds. A 450 lumen floodlight for big jobs and a precision 30 lumen torch for tight spots. With its folding design, heavy duty magnet and integrated hook, you can stick it, hang it or angle it exactly where you need it for total hands-free productivity. Compact enough to go anywhere, this adjustable work light delivers up to 1100 lumens of adjustable power to suit any job. With 5 brightness modes to save your battery and a compact 170mm design built for easy storage, it's the perfect addition for any tool bag. This adjustable work light features a high output 3500 lumen beam with 7-stage dimming, allowing you to perfectly balance brightness and battery life. Its heavy-duty 180-degree adjustable stand allows for pinpoint light placement, making it the perfect floodlight for large-scale projects and demanding job sites. Light up a large area from a distance with our range of floodlights. This 1000 lumen compact floodlight has 3 selectable brightness settings for ultimate control. It also comes with a handy tripod mount, hook and strong magnetic base, taking the light to the next level. The 2000 lumen flexible floodlight offers 4 selectable brightness settings. Fully adjustable 360 degree with the wall mount, hook and strong magnetic base. As you can see, we have lighting for every solution to help you out on every job. Browse this range and more today in store or online at tradetools.com. Remember to sign up to our email to get weekly serious savings on all the best brands. Link in bio.